Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to a new card making tutorial. Today I am creating a card with a lovely lady. The lady and the papers which I'm using are from Prima Marketing. I am using Georgia Blues collection, which is in blue, brown and grey colors. It is very nice and delicate collection, and I think it will be a perfect color for my lady. My lady, it's a stamp from Prima Marketing, and I colored it yesterday, and I'm creating a card today with it. Please do not ask me for the tutorial for coloring, because I am very new to coloring and I don't feel confident to create a tutorial. Few people were asking, but I cannot do it at the moment. I have no experience, I'm just experimenting, and it's my 4th or 5th stamp I ever colored, so I will share a tutorial later when I feel more confident about it. So I hope you will enjoy the tutorial. I will not be talking too much today, so I will just play nice music for you. Enjoy and have a lovely creative time. Talk to you later. Hi again. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you like the card. I must say I really like it, especially that I just love blue, and yeah, it's my favorite color to create with, and I really like that lovely stamp, and I'm sure I will create more cards with it. So thank you very much for watching. Please like the video and share with your friends so they can see it too, and I will be back to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.